I have some folding to do, so I hope you don't mind. I've been waiting days to do this. I'm really liking my new job. A lot of new stuff I am learning. Oh, got some socks in here. So I've been really busy with that. And it's really different from my security job. With security, I would do like a lot of hanging out, waiting for something to happen. So I feel like my brain is active. I'm learning a lot. A lot about medical supplies. I'm learning about catheters, ostomy stuff, wound care. And a lot of it's like general preventative care. So, like toothbrush, hairbrush, shampoo, shaving cream. You wouldn't think that would be part of like medical materials, but a lot of that's medically necessary. It's preventative care. So I got health insurance now, life insurance. I'm going to have a retirement plan after I meet my 10 years. Which I can't retire until I'm 65 or if they change the rules again, but in 10 years I'll be allowed to have a pension. So that's really cool. I like that. And it's only $200 a month. When I get quoted for a plan for the marketplace, it was $800 a month. And I'm like, the $5 cut in pay is pretty much worth it at this point. And I get to work days and not always on the weekend. Every like 3 weeks, I do a weekend. So I'm really happy. Have a good day.